Hello everybody, this is CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript, an online Harvard University course. This time I'm going to show you the project0 called search, which is the front-end development of the Google search. The site has 3 pages. The first one is the main Google search, the second one is the image Google search, and the third one is the advanced Google search, where we can navigate between the 3 different pages. On the main Google search page, the user is able to query anything in order to be taken to the actual Google search results. On the Google image search page, the user is able to query anything in order to get all the images provided by Google. On the Google Advanced Search, the user is able to make a more granular query, as you can see on the video. Like the advanced Google search, this page has first 4 fields with text left aligned, and it is web responsive according to the screen size, as you can see on the video. Finally, the bottom has a blue background with white text. On the main Google search page, we also have the I'm feeling lucky button, which, like Google behavior, it takes us to the first Google search result. The site is as much as possible with the same aesthetic as the actual Google search site, except for the logo because of copyright reasons. But for example, the text fields have rounded corners, the links with hover behaviors, and with a web responsive design according to the screen size. And this is CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript.